Here's what I'm thinking. We put that there, and then I'm going to move this. Now this is going to make a mess. So I'm going to do it on the splat mat. Oh my goodness, look at all that stuff in there. You have been very busy. Okay, so if we're going to switch the two, this has to be dug out from under the blanket. And it's going to move your other temporary man cave. Are you ready for that to happen? I don't know if this is the right answer. I think I should just put the table back. Would you be okay with that? We just leave things as they are, because they've been working. Yeah, that's a lot of busy work right there. That is a lot of work. And I don't want you to have that anymore. Sorry, I have to say no to that one. Can I just put the table back? Would that be okay? Here. Or you want me to roll it? We're not really set up for play right here. You're cute. Look at that face. You're a little heartbreaker. Do you want to help me out here? No, you don't want to help out. You just want to make messes. I like it. Hello, handsomest of little men.